We are Who Dat Nation. I'm originally from Covington, Louisiana. I'm about to spray paint my mama one, surprise her, just to have, you know, she gonna know what it is, but we gonna call it a decorative tree. How about that? I'm gonna do half and half here. And again, I'm on the noodle. So if y'all can see me get, there we go. Let me get over here so y'all can see. Then I start at the end and then bring it up, because some of this, see how the black does go into it. Boom, bam, bop, there he is. All right. And then I can turn it either which direction if I want to put the black and gold. Put the black here, the vinyl, or the gold there. I can flip it around, so either which way. But y'all, this is how I spray paint my trays. And I'm in the backyard too. Excuse my grass, it need to be cut, but I don't gotta worry about no fumes. My children don't have to worry about no fumes. And it dry really, really, really fast and pretty. So until next time, y'all, say bone out. Ew.